Give it all under God. But we gotta be on beat for it to sound tight. So we gonna practice, alright? Y'all ready? Let's go! First off, give it all honor to God. Say what? Give it all honor to God. Come on, first off, give it all honor to God. To who? Give it all honor to God. Come on, first off, give it all honor to God. I can't hear y'all. Give it all honor to God. First off, give it all honor to God. That's right. Give it all honor to God. I can't back that. I backed up the biblical proof. Right, straight to my skin out, chicken noodle soup. What if Jesus came back in a khaki suit? Looking like a thug ready to jack your loot. Only here, bronze hands with a purple tattoo. Would you run away and face like a Hollywood suit? Or would you still give a praise? The praise is due. Or would you say I can't be right? I feel just like you. Or he don't fit the same description that you used to. So if you have to prove yourself for a miracle or two, or could you recognize the voice and say I know that's you? Because the scriptures say the sheep know the shepherd too. It's up to you to make the choice to accept the truth. But I'm gonna bring it to you raw like I'm supposed to do. Because first off, give it all honor to God. Say what? Give it all honor to God. Come on, first off, give it all honor to God. To who? Give it all honor to God. First off, give it all honor to God. I can't hear y'all. Give it all honor to God. First off, give it all honor to God. That's right. Give it all honor to God. God gives me will. I choose to walk in love. Don't think because I'm a Christian, I forgot how to love. Dust you off like a rug. Get me out to my demeanor. I'm saved by grace, but so far from a reader. Obey my thirst like Sprite. Thirst was right. They dash like ice in the spiritual fight. When it comes to more time, I ready to slide the spirit. So don't step with the karma, because I'm making you stupid. I got angels kept around me, ready to ride when they home. Not to mention God is with me, this is blinking on me. So when I'm walking through the streets of South Central LA, I got love for the blood, streets, and the essay. That's how I cross like a boss with these games to God. Bring heat to the street like a gallon of power. I'm deep with my beats like a hip hop solid. Feed the sheep when we sleep for the base in front of me. Because first off, give it all honor to God. Say what? Give it all honor to God. First off, give it all honor to God. Give it all honor to God. Come on, first off, give it all honor to God. Give it all honor to God. First off, give it all honor to God. That's right. Give it all honor to God. Now, first off, give it all honor to God, who's ahead of my life, and his son Jesus Christ. The Pastor Charles Johnson and his lovely wife. From the pulpit to the pews, on my family in Christ. All honor due to those that walk in the light. Offer their bodies as a living sacrifice. With the blood we were bought, Jesus paid the price. So to give him back what he gave is only right. He was condemned without sin, but didn't put up a fight. In the end, he ascended without power and might. Coming back once again like a thief in the night. So don't pretend to be his friend if you don't walk in the light. Got skills on the mic, be rapping tight. But God don't get the glory in that miracle hype. Sinning independent, how you living your life. Thanking God for your success like everything is alright. Remember, first off, giving all honor to God. Say what? Give it all honor to God. Come on, first off, give it all honor to God. Give it all honor to God. First off, give it all honor to God. Give it all honor to God. First off, give it all honor to God. Give it all honor to God. At the one of the Lord, make some noise. And like 2 Corinthians 5:8 says, to be absent from the body is to be present with the Father. So if I can't be in God's presence, if I'm in this flesh, that makes me suicidal. But look, not suicide like I want to kill myself, but check it out. See, it's sort of suicidal how I'm killing the flesh. Christ was crucified, so I'm killing myself. Every day I try to die, put the old man to rest. Pray Christ live inside and give my spirit and breath. I'm giving all, Lord, giving back nothing to self. I sacrifice carnal wealth and material wealth. I'd rather have you in my heart than my physical health. So reprimand me, discipline me with your spiritual belt. You recondition my position with divine intervention. I was solo, but no more, I'm on a whole nother mission. Where two or more gathered in his name, you get favor like you rolling in the carpool lane. Tap your neighbor, tell him Christ is life and death is gain. It's suicidal. You play more blunt to praise his name than national idol. Put your trust in God and not in man. Because the title say to show yourself approved unto God because